Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Battleford, Saskatchewan. This town is located in west central Saskatchewan, along the banks of the North Saskatchewan River. It sits just across the river from the city of North Battleford, and together they are often referred to as the Battlefords. Battleford was established in 1875 and was an administrative and military center during the early years of settlement in Western Canada. Its name comes from the nearby Battle River, which was likely named after historic conflicts in the area between Indigenous groups. Today, Battleford is known for its historical buildings, museums, and views of the river valley. The area reflects a mix of Indigenous and settler history and is a quiet and scenic stop for anyone traveling through Saskatchewan. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Battleford, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching.